Hi, Internet. As always, here's my Matchbox disclaimer. I'm not your attorney unless you have a signed contract and have paid the applicable fees. Today, I want to talk about the steps getting a protective order. This has come up a lot in my practice in the last 6 months. It's really important, for people to understand you have to be in some kind of immediate danger, or you have to have had a recent incident. Because if you try and get a protective order and you're not in some type of danger or you haven't had an incident, the petition will be dismissed. Number two, you do have to file a petition and you'd have to go to the courthouse of the county that you live in to get an order. The first thing that you would have is a temporary order, and that would emphasize a stay away and for you and for your family if it's applicable. The temporary order gets issued and then you have immediate protection, but the next step is the court's going to set a hearing date that's going to give the other party the opportunity to present evidence and testimony, and you'll have to be cross-examined, and you'll have to present your case and evidence and testimony at that court hearing in order to get a longer-term order. So if the next step is at the hearing, if the court does find that there is evidence and necessity for a protective order, a longer-term order is issued. A lot of states do have local agencies and nonprofits that can help you go through the steps to get a protective order, and it's important to reach out to any resources you can have, whether it's through the National Hotline for Domestic Violence, and I'll put a link in, and they can help connect you with attorneys and other professionals who work with domestic violence cases. It's a weird world out there. Stay safe.